Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about What Say You Part 3, which is a series of comments on our YouTube channel that, we want to expand upon and get some more input on. So I've highlighted a couple in What Say You number 3, and please feel encouraged to respond, and no criticism, just let's contribute to the academics so we get more of an understanding. And if this is someone's opinion, fine. You might have a different opinion, but let's try to reach a common ground and understanding on the academics or the reasoning behind everything. The room acts like a radical EQ already. Boy, that's an interesting concept. So compensating EQ is a valid tool. I think this is in regards to some of my comments about, there's just so much processing going on. I prefer using my ears instead of software. When calibrating, I listen to a sine wave of each frequency below 100 Hertz. I adjust the curve of my monitoring EQ so that every frequency is heard at the same level. This results in a very balanced overall sound. You still have to have treatment to widen the sweet spot, but the better the treatment, the wider the sweet spot. So that's a comment on processing again that I was making. Here's another one that came in. With sampler effects, etc., you can't even tell half the time. And of course, that's another reference to processing and the effects that engineers use all the time. I think drums is a real popular one. What do they call electronic drums or something like that? But this is a few of the comments that we've had, so please feel free to respond, and let's see if we can get a discussion going and get some further clarification, some more examples, and obviously more opinions. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.